Katie here, and welcome to my channel. Vlogmas day. What day is it? Hey, Katie here, and welcome to my channel. My goodness, Jelly Jam Jr. Do not eat that pillow. Give it here. Let go. Let go now. Let go. Good boy. He's a good boy. He keeps trying to eat my Christmas pillows. And I've been trying to just deep clean my kitchen. Hey, Katie here, and welcome to my channel. Hey, it's day 7 of Vlogmas. I almost said Vlogoween, but it's Vlogmas in July right now. I really don't have a lot of lights on either. I haven't filmed all day. It's been my day off, and I did very close to no filming. I did, however, deep clean my entire counter up to this point right here. I haven't touched this area yet, but I have also gone through my drawers and stuff. And like, I don't know, I'm trying to organize things. It's a mess. Like, it's like literally was pretty much all this in there. And oh my goodness, though. Let me show you this. What kind of angle was that just now? I'm gonna turn this camera around. There you go. Now y'all can't see my ridiculous makeup, but like, this has been my situation of just stuff. Like, this is where my bowls and my plates were, and then like this section over here is my Tupperware. It's not pretty. So basically, this is going to be something I've wanted to do for a while. I'm gonna attempt it, like, you know, the whole makeover thing, and it's not going to be pretty. Like, I'm trying to avoid showing you my floors because honestly I have no idea what is on them. I wear house slippers, and depression happens, so I'm trying to get that cleaned up. It's really not cute. It's not cute at all. It's not even girly things for you Colleen fans out there. But yeah, my state of being is atrocious right now, and I'm really trying to get that turned around. So without any further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off to my future self and, you know, do the makeover thing. So here's a bunch of B-roll with a voiceover and some sparkles, maybe? Some sparkles and some music. Happy Vlogmas, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Love you. 8 o'clock. And, I was up till 3. This is my, like, giveaway pile stuff. And, oh yeah, hey, Katie here. Welcome to my vlog. Day 8 of Vlogmas. I'm pretty sure this is just going to be smushed in with Wednesday because I need to catch up a little bit on my stuff. And it's rainy. I don't remember the name of this tropical storm and stuff, but I woke up, I had to walk my dog outside. Like every tree, every blade of grass was bent over. It was so windy. But mama bird is still there, or baby bird. Well, both baby birds, or daddy bird is what I meant. But yeah, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Is it the 8th? It is the 8th, right? Cool. It's 8 o'clock in the morning on the 8th of the 7th month. But you know, whatever. I don't remember where I was going. Hopefully that whole shindig with all of the, you know, house makeover type dream home thing worked out. I've always imagined doing something and then having that be the outcome, like having a makeover like scene in my videos, and then it just, I get in my head, I'm like, that's a lot of work. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. That's a lot of clips to juggle around, because usually I'm only juggling like 4 clips at the most, you know. But I'm still wearing makeup from years ago. I need to take a shower. I have work in an hour, like literally I need to leave in 20 minutes. But yeah, I got my morning rainy jazz hop on, except now it's a commercial. So that's my cue to go. I'll see y'all later when I get off work. I'm home from work. Ignore the jacket. This is a Halloween jacket that I got from Shein, and then it's very convenient to wear, like, you know, a cropped thing underneath my you know, work uniform when it's raining. It's got a hood. I can keep my everything dry, and I don't have to worry about getting sick. So yeah. But yeah, so I think it's cute, but hey, eyes up here. Ooh. Anyways, I really need to get this kitchen situated, and then I need to get my art drawer situated. Like, I was gonna do this whole section by itself, but it's gonna be like that, and then it's gonna be like that stuff. Like, there's no way around that. And my kitchen, though, I've got, well, y'all have already seen it finished. Oh, let me turn on a light. Goodness. So I've got, like, this stuff I'm giving away. Not the computer. I'm gonna keep that. And then, like, I've got to do dishes. And then just tidy up. And then the refrigerator needs done. And basically, sweeping and mopping is the last thing. And then that's all done. So that's gonna be finished today. And tomorrow, gonna probably tackle my bedroom. I don't know. This is just a lot. It's a lot. I'm really working hard trying to get rid of some stuff and things, but I don't know. I think I want to go to the gym first before anything, though. So, Jelly, leave it alone. Jelly. I'm working on training him to leave my pillows alone. He really likes chewing on them. Like, literally, I lost I had 4, they basically dumpster dived pillows, couch cushion pillows from the original first apartment that I ever had. It's like these ones, and I was using them as bed pillows, and now my neck is just, I'm getting too old for that kind of thing. I need a real pillow, but I still have one. I used it in my bed. I have it stuffed like just right, and yeah. He likes to chew. He destroyed 2 of them. That's where I was going with that. That's the fluff that I used in these pillows. You know, was from those 2 pillows that he destroyed as a puppy, and yeah. So I'm gonna go to the gym. I guess I'll show you guys my outfit, and we'll see if anything happens from there. Love y'all. Bye. Well, I wasn't recording that whole time, but here is my outfit. Well, without the shoes. So here I am with an outfit. It's not that cute. It's a little awkward, but I won't sweat it because it's my outfit.